Hello everyone, my name is Kelly and for today we will review for your test. Let's get started. I will ask some questions and you will answer. First question. What clothes do you wear when it's hot and when it's cold? For example, when it's hot, I wear a t-shirt and shorts. When it's cold, I wear a coat, a shirt, and a jeans. Now it's your turn. What clothes do you wear when it's hot and when it's cold? Next, what are your favorite clothes? Why? For example, my favorite clothes are t-shirts and jeans because they're comfortable. Now it's your turn. What are your favorite clothes? Why? Next, where do you go shopping? Online or in the shop? Which is better? For example, I often go shopping online because there are so many things for me to buy. Now it's your turn. Where do you go shopping? Online or in the shop? Which is better? Very good. What do you buy online? And what do you buy in the shop? For example, I buy clothes online, but I buy food in the shop. Now it's your turn. What do you buy online? And what do you buy in the shop? Next, do you often eat out? Who do you go with? For example, I usually eat out with my family and friends. Now it's your turn. Do you often eat out? Who do you go with? Very good. Do you prefer food cooked by your mom or restaurant food? For example, I like food cooked by my mom because she makes the best. Now it's your turn. Do you prefer food cooked by your mom or restaurant food? Next, do you like street food? Why or why not? For example, I like street food because they are cheap and delicious. Now it's your turn. Do you like street food? Why or why not? Next, what is your favorite street food? For example, I like fried banana and fish balls. Your turn. What is your favorite street food? Very good. What technology do you use? For example, I use smartwatch and smartphone. Your turn. What technology do you use? Very good. Next. How many hours a day do you spend online? For example, I spend about 2 hours a day online. Now it's your turn. How many hours a day do you spend online? Great job, students. That's all for today. See you.